Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw a 8-bit video game heart together. The first step we're going to take is to draw the middle of your heart with a square. So draw your best square. It's just kind of like an L, a line up, and a line over. Now take the top right corner and we're going to draw a rectangle. So it's a little larger, and then go up, a line about that same size, and go down. Now create another rectangle on the other corner about the same size as the first one. So go out, out again, and then down. Looks good. Now take one of the corners and go down to create one of the sides of the heart, and that's going to be a rectangle. So go out, down, and over to create that rectangle. Looks good. Now create another rectangle about the same size. So go down, over, over again, and down. Perfect. Now here's where our heart shape is going to start to form. So make squares all the way down until you get to the bottom. So my first square, I'm going to start over here and go out like this, and then we're going to go down, over, and close it up. Same thing on the other side. So go down, try to create the same type of square size, over and down. Looks good. Now let's start to create a couple more hearts. Squares for your heart. So go over, down, over, and down. Now let's create another one. Down, over, over again, and down. Now here's where we're going to close it up with one more square. So draw a line going across, down, over, and close up the square. Now you're going to color each little individual block black and then create your red pattern of 8-bit heart in the middle. So let's start coloring it in. Here's our 8-bit video game heart. As you can see, I left a little bit of white little square here to make it shine, and then here's a little darker red block pattern that I made. So I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!